So I finished the Cognito upper control arms and all that crap from the previous videos. Let's see if I can get it. Oh, what's wrong with my camera? Must have a scratch. Alright. So looking good now. Hold on. Alright, back to that, yeah. Got both sides done. It definitely has quite some clearance now. I could probably put, I don't know what size tires they actually go, but there's at least yeah, I could probably put, I don't know if they make 38s, 39s. I still gotta do something with the rear, because now that it's definitely sitting way up higher, it's the rear end's sitting lower. I ordered a new panhard bar, adjustable one, and adjustable control arms for the rear. So I also, I get some yeah, because somebody swapped this over to springs. Where is it? Oh, I gotta put my steering stabilizer in. Where is, there we go. This will give the springs some help. That'll go in, I don't know when I'll have time again. I mean, I'll be in tomorrow, but so I took the day off of work. But that's it for now. I mean, yeah, look at the friggin' clearance difference. That's insane. I mean, I put an equal leveling kit in the front and rear, and yeah, the rear doesn't look like I did anything now. It's kind of hard to tell from the video. It definitely, if you're looking at it right now, up close, you could see the difference. I'm trying to find an angle to, yeah, the rear's squatting. I can't wait to get driving this thing again. Oh, I took these bars off too, because one of them was clunking against the other one, and I ended up having to torch the bolt. But that's okay, because when you go to get up in it, you were hitting your foot because you had no room. It was sticking out right here. Now you can get in a little easier. I get a mess. Definitely don't, unless you have a shop and torches and all that, don't do that yourself. Because this side took, Jesus, I couldn't, the dealership lied to me is what they did. They couldn't, I found out what happened, the bolts were frozen right up for the adjusters, and I had to torch them out. The other side wasn't like that. So what they did was they put all the adjustments on the other side, and that's why my steering was so messed up. And they said it was good, but whatever. It'll be better now. I'm Joe Biden. I built back better. So dirty and dusty. Yeah, I don't know anything about the spring suspension in this, and then when I got looking it up, and it said that even if you put bigger springs, if you don't change other things, then yeah, it's not going to help you much. So I'll get her done. It'll take some time. I gotta work, get some more PTO days. All right, later, people.